to my channel. As you can see, Beryl is here and it's causing a lot of rain in my neighborhood. Yes guys, it's raining really hard. And there's a shop right here in front of my house. 2 of the zinc is gone off the shop. Oh my god. At the moment guys, we are having a lot of rain. Yes it is, we are having a lot of rain. So I don't know what later is gonna entail for us. We have a little bit of breeze, but thankful it's not so bad. I don't know if it's gonna get any worse, but at the moment we are having rain. Oh and boy, the breeze is coming harder, stronger. Well, we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen next.